Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Yari Thomas, marketing consultant and sales coach, and I'm introducing the Insurance Leads Genie, which brings leads on demand. It gets rid of your lead problem once and for all, so there will be no cold calling or outbound telemarketing or buying leads or lists from these companies of people who are either not interested or being called by the other three or four brokers that they sold the same lead to. This system will generate exclusive leads on demand. These are your leads that are going to ring your phone only and come to your inbox only, and you can do it quickly and inexpensively, and you no longer have to depend on any other company to provide your leads for you, because this system will create them for you. So I'm going to log into the voice broadcast system, and this system is a replicate of what you're going to receive. As you see, this is my personal login, so I have a number of campaigns for a number of different markets, but you don't have to have so many. You can just run one or two campaigns. It's very easy to use, and you only have to do three things to set up a campaign. The first thing you're going to do when you set up a campaign is create a message. So the message that you create is going to be heard by your prospect when they pick up the telephone. Your message will be something like, "Thank you for listening. If you'd like to protect your family and save money on your life insurance, press 1 to speak to an agent now. Press 9 to be taken off the list, or press 1 to begin to save money and protect your family." Now, you can customize that message, and that was, just off the top of my head. We do have messages that are effective in the back office once you get the system, but you can create your own, and it will be your own voice on the system. It's easy to do. You'll either upload a message or you'll have the system call your phone, you'll record your message, and that's it. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to upload a list. Uploading the list is simple. You just click the button right here. You'll upload a spreadsheet, and the system will then begin to be set up to generate leads for you. If your question is, where do we get the list? We also come with a harvester. It'll also show you. We also show you how you can get data at very discount prices. However, our harvester will harvest the yellow pages for you and gather the data that you need to market and generate leads with the system. So what I'm going to do is kind of scroll through. As you see, I have a ton of campaigns in here. Let's see. Let's grab this campaign, and you'll see just examples that here I spent $74.89, and I generated actually 19 leads. I run the system kind of fast, and I'll let a lot of calls go right to voicemail, but you'll see here that I spoke to 9 people, 4 for over 5 minutes on the first call, 1 for over 3 minutes, 2 for over 30 seconds. And guys, if you also look at, I left the phone number on 6,176 caller IDs. Now, you're not going to leave your personal number on that caller ID. As you see here, these two numbers are different, because if you called that number at that time, or if you called this number at that time, you would have received a voicemail that pitches the same service. So the number on the caller ID that the customer sees will actually be a number that goes back to a voicemail where you tell them that you can save them on insurance, and if they'd like a free quote, leave their name and number after the beep. As I go through these logins, you will see the same thing happen over and over again, where the system consistently generates leads. Now, this one was done over time. I called this one Sales Biz because it's targeting independent agents and those kind of people. When I say independent agents or contractors, I mean like roofers and massage therapists and real estate agents and mortgage brokers, and all of those kind of people are independent agents. So the same product that you would sell them. You would sell them the product as they are a consumer. However, you may get in and they have 3 or 4 employees, or they have other people that work with them who also need your service. Now, as you see here, I spent $732.48. My the total calls were 65,141. I left 1,067 messages on answering machines, and I talked to 268 people. These are my talk times: 9 for over 15 minutes, 5 for just under 15 minutes, 21 for over 10 minutes, 18 for over 5 minutes, 17 for under 3 minutes, 51 just for under a minute. And in addition to that, I've left the caller ID on 65,141 phones with a number that went back to pitch to service again. So, as you can see, for that amount of money, I generated a whole lot of leads. Now, keep in mind, this is over time, and you'll have this in your account or campaign, whether you may be doing $50 at a time, or $100 at a time, or maybe even $20 at a time. That's how it adds up over times, but you can actually see the statistics of your messages and your campaigns. And I think what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to leave this open for you so that you can see my different campaigns and the messages. So you can see exactly, what works. Here's another campaign. Only $10.22 was spent. You see the messages here were shorter, so it actually made more than 1,000 calls for $10. It didn't leave any messages, but this campaign generated 9 leads, 9 transfers for $10. So different campaigns will run, but the one thing's for sure is with this system, you will generate inbound leads that call you. You will generate them quickly, and the system is effective, as I can show you. Other lead generation systems talk about it and tell you, that it works, and then you get it and it doesn't work. Well, we give a guarantee. You run our system, you will generate leads, or we'll give your money back. And there's no other marketing system that I know of that tells you that they can guarantee that you're going to get inbound leads. And the reason I can give that guarantee is because I've been doing this over a long period of time, and kind of got it down pat, and it just works. And guys, if you are an agency owner, it's the same deal. You are able to recruit agents because you can take an entire state of agents and call them in a day, leaving them back to a voicemail that explains your opportunity, and you can offer this system to them as well. And you will be able to bring them to webinars or into your office so that you can discuss your special opportunity. Again, my name is Yori Thomas. Welcome to the Insurance Lead Genie. Just click the Buy Now button below to get started, or you can register for our webinars if you want to talk to me personally and ask any questions. Thanks for your time, and I look forward to working with you.